guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, I'm Lindsay and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a 5-minute makeup look on really simple makeup. This takes me a few minutes in the morning and it's just something I throw on real quick when I don't feel like wearing foundation and concealer and powder and eyeshadow and all that jazz. So it's really fast. I did one of these videos about 2 years ago, but it's really outdated and I do my makeup a lot different now. So I thought I would redo this video for you guys. Please do hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. And hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. And I do have all my social medias linked in the description box down below as well if you want to check me out on Instagram and Twitter. Let's get right into this 5-minute makeup video. Okay guys, so for my 5-minute makeup in the morning, I like to not have to worry about foundation or concealer or any of that, doing all those steps, because that's what takes me the most time. So what I found is this ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer, and this is gonna act as our base. This is a really good tinted moisturizer. Most of the tinted moisturizers I use are like mostly moisturizer with not a lot of tint, and this one actually has a good amount of coverage to it. So all I do is I take it in my hands and I just do not even one pump, just like 3/4. Put it in my fingers and then I just rub it all over. In case any of you are wondering, I use the shade Fair 4N. The next thing I do is take my Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer, and I'm just going to use this on any blemishes, any pimples I have, anything like that. So I just take it with my flat concealer brush and I take just a tiny little bit and I just go over where I think I need it. Just not even like hardly anything at all, just a little bit right under here just to make it look a little bit less tired. I'm just going to take my Jane Iredale powder. I don't know if this powder is available to everyone. I think you can order it. I have two because one is almost gone and I have a fresh one, but I'm going to use the old one to finish it off. But I use this powder in the shade Satin, and then I do also have an IT Cosmetics Bye Bye foundation powder, but this one is a little bit dark for me, even though it's the lightest shade that they have. But as you can see, it's not that light. It's kind of dark. I mean, it's not, I could wear it, but it's just slightly dark for me. So I'm going to use the Jane Iredale one today. And I just take that powder and I put it a little bit under my eyes and just lightly all over my face really quick with a brush. I'm just going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. This is the Brush On Brow Gel, and this is in the shade Chocolate, and I just brush through my eyebrows to make them a little bit darker and to stand out a little bit more. The thing I'm going to do is take that Jane Iredale powder that's a little dark and just put that where I would contour, just to give my face a tiny bit of dimension without having to put too much effort into it. I'm going to take this Tarte blush. This is a sample size I got in my Ipsy bag a while ago. This one's called Feisty, and this blush is kind of like a more nudie brown blush, so it's not like pink, so that's why I like this one. And I'm just going to take that on a blush brush and I'm going to put it on the apples of my cheeks and then drag it backwards to kind of highlight my cheekbones. Take the tip of my brush on my blush, and I'm just going to put that right in the center of my nose and just go back and forth over my nose to get the sides and the top. For highlight, I'm just going to use this really simple bright ColourPop highlighter and take that on a brush and just put it in all of the normal spots. So at this point we are almost done. You could definitely stop here if this is good enough for you. We just have 2 more steps, and this is one of the things that makes the biggest difference for me, is to do eyeliner with eyeshadow. So I take an angled eyebrow brush and then just a dark brown eyeshadow, and I just create a really subtle eyeliner look just on the corners. I don't do my whole eye. I mean, you can definitely use liquid eyeliner, but I find that just takes so much time. I'm going to take a shade out of my gingerbread palette. It literally doesn't matter what you use, just any dark brown eyeshadow would work. I'm going to use this shade called Cookie Call, and it's just this dark brown in the corner over here. And then I'm just going to spray my face with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. And the last step we have is lips. You could literally do anything you want with lips, but for me, I just put on a lip plumper, and I do this because I just want to have like a flushed look on my lips. I don't want like a color or anything. So I use the Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump Gloss, and I just put that on and wait for it to work. So that is my updated 5-minute makeup routine. I do this most mornings when I don't want to wear a lot of makeup and I just want something on my face. But I think it's really effective. I think it works really well. And then I will go put in my nose jewelry after I'm done with my makeup. I totally didn't do that yet. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're looking for a really quick makeup look that you just want to throw on in the morning, I hope this was helpful. Do hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. Hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. I'd love to have you on here as a part of my YouTube family. And go check out all my social media in the description box as well if you want to follow me on Twitter and Instagram and all that. Hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys!